Meal prep, or the practice of preparing meals in advance, can help you save time, money, and reduce stress during the week. Here are some meal prep tips. Plan your meals. Take the time to plan out what meals you want to make for the week. Consider what ingredients you already have and what items you need to purchase. Choose recipes wisely. Look for recipes that are easy to prepare and can be made in large batches. Consider recipes that can be made with similar ingredients to save time and reduce waste. Invest in storage containers. Purchase reusable containers in different sizes to store your prepared meals. Glass containers are a great option as they can be used in the oven and microwave. Schedule a prep day. Choose a day of the week to do your meal prep, such as Sunday. This will allow you to prepare meals for the entire week and save time during busy weekdays. Cook in bulk. Cook large batches of protein, such as chicken or ground beef, to use in multiple meals throughout the week.